Richard Saul Wurman, who is the founder of the TED Talks, he said famously that the biggest design problem of all is designing your life. So as designers, we spend a lot of time thinking about others and thinking about how to design things for others. And we don't spend that much time thinking about our own lives or the container or interface or the form of our own lives. In this masterclass, we're going to talk about that shape of our own lives. I think it's taken me close to 20 years to finally figure this out. And I think Richard Saul Wurman had it right, that it's a tough design problem. There are so many different factors. But in this masterclass, I don't just want to talk about your personal life. I want to talk about your work life. I think the two are closely connected. And I want to parallel what it is that you can do to bring purpose, to be clear about your values, to have rituals and regular practices in your personal life that you also have working with teams in terms of collaboration and in terms of you as that design interface to your organization, that value add, that life force for many organizations, that I think it's important to have the two in balance. So it's really designed your life at home and at work. And I'm really excited to share this masterclass. It's entirely based on my experience and my experience of internalizing human-centered design, making things easy for people, making things easy in my own life. It's based on my experience as an entrepreneur, as a founder of a leading user experience consulting firm, as someone who spent many, many years in the field. And yeah, it's just a fun topic, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you, and I hope you can join me on this masterclass.